How to check TikTok password on iPhone. To get started, open the Passwords app on your iPhone. Authenticate with Face ID to access your saved passwords. On the password screen, tap on the All option at the top left. Over here, you'll be able to view all your saved passwords. Tap on the search bar on the bottom to search. For example, I'll type in TikTok to quickly locate the saved TikTok login. Tap on the TikTok entry to open its details. The details page shows the username and a hidden password. Tap on the password to reveal the characters on screen. You can tap on Copy Password to copy it. Verify the password now displayed for your TikTok account. The password section organizes your logins, and search makes finding TikTok fast. This process lets you check your TikTok password from iPhone settings securely. Following these steps, you can easily check your TikTok password on iPhone.